All right, so what we got to do is we need to break this up into two rectangles because we know how to calculate the area of a rectangle. We don't know how to do it for this crazy thing. So what we're going to do is I'm going to draw a little line across and split it up. Now I got two rectangles. I got this rectangle and I got this rectangle. So what are the dimensions of this rectangle? This top piece is 1 and this other side is 4. But you might look at this and be like, well, what about the 6? The 6 doesn't correspond to this length. The 6 corresponds to this all the way down. So it's a 1 by 4 rectangle. To get the area, we multiply 1 by 4. Those two dimensions gives us an area of 4. What about the area of this guy? Well, this length all the way across, it's not 4. 4 is just from here to here. All the way across for this entire rectangle is 5. All the way up and down is 2, right? 2 and 2 over here. 5 times 2 gives us 10. Now we got the individual areas and we add them. 10 plus 4 is 14. Now last way we kind of broke it up and used addition. This one I'm going to show you how you can use subtraction. Both will work, doesn't matter however you want to set it up. I'm going to go like this. I'm going to say this could have been one giant rectangle. And if this had been one giant rectangle, what would have been the area of this entire rectangle, this entire thing? Well, the height is 3 and the width is, or the length or whatever, is 6. 6 times 3 gives us a total area of 18. But then we've cut out this little rectangle. So we need to calculate the area of this little rectangle that we've cut out. It's 3 by 1. So therefore the area of this little rectangle is 3 times 1, which is 3 meters squared. So we're removing this, which means subtraction. So we're taking 18, we're subtracting 3, and we're getting 15. Now again, with this one, I can do the addition method or subtraction method. I'm going to do addition, but I'll show you if I wanted to do the subtraction, all I would do is I would extend this out, and be like, okay, we have one giant rectangle. I'm subtracting this piece and this piece. I could do that, but instead, I'm just going to cut these into two rectangles and compute them separately and then add them. This one is 2 by 6. Which means 2 times 6, which is 12. This one is 2 by 2, 2 across and 2 down. 2 times 2 is 4. So we got 12 and we got 4. We add them up and we get 16.